community, the community, yes, the community, yes, the community. Riders in the Philippines, the community. We ride with integrity, the community. The club have a unity, the community, yes, the community, yes, the community. Welcome to the club, Honda Click Community. Riders in the Philippines na mayroong unity. Hatid dito ay best quality ng isang samahan. Mag-e-enjoy ka sa daan kahit saan ang puntahan. Ano pang hinihintay kung ikaw ay nakaklik? Tara na at maki-join dito, Paxi automatic ka na. Mabibigyan ka pa ng pagkakataon na makatulong sa iyong kapwa-kagulong. FCCRC Philippines, Click Community. Riders Club is the meaning. Ibang klase ang dating, bagos professional. Hindi mo mapipeke sapagkat original. You're the best, lalo na sa pagkakaisa. Handang tumulong, ibibigay ang abot makakaya. Ganyan kami kasolid at ganyan kami katibay. Sa Click Community, daan mo ay magkakakulay. Riders in the Philippines, Click Community. We ride with integrity, Click Community. The club have a unity, Click Community. Yes, Click Community, yes, Click Community. Riders in the Philippines, Click Community. We ride with integrity, Click Community. The club have a unity, Click Community. Yes, Click Community, yes, Click Community. Hindi lang kapwa kagulong ang aming tinutulungan, kundi kapwa kababayan na merong pangangailangan. Tulad ng salat sa buhay, may sakit, may kapasanan. Sila'y prioridad na siyang handang-handang tulungan. Natatakang salitang malasakit sa aming kapwa, na siyang dahilan upang kami ma-inspira. Ride for a cause, nakatakdang tungkulin. At charity ride, dyan ang aming gawain. At mas pinatibay pa ang aming pundasyon, at mas pinalawak pa ang aming koneksyon, at mas pumarami ang aming inspirasyon upang ipagpatuloy ang gagampanan naming misyon. We ride with integrity, yan ang katagang nakaukit sa pangalan sa aming nasasakupan. One love, we support, sama-samang naangat. One ride, we care, one peace sa lahat. Riders in the Philippines, Click Community. We ride with integrity, Click Community. The club have a unity, Click Community. Yes, Click Community, yes, Click Community. Riders in the Philippines,